Say it. Say it. Say it.
Fine.
It's almost like it's sea air, even though it's a lake.
Yeah, I was thinking that down by the water I could smell like the seaweed, the salty seaweed smell.
Yeah,
Love that smell.
very good smell. Southampton at night. We're gonna go over here and go in here and get ourselves some ice cream.
I just got vanilla soft serve, but with caramel drizzle on a waffle cone, and it is good.
Is it fantastic?
It's fantastic.
It's good.
They had quite the menu. I was actually, there was too many options.
I know, I was
So I was
overloaded.
like, vanilla.
It was a sense of fence. There was so much going on there.
But
Yeah.
such a cute place.
What's that place called?
Fun.
Fun. That's fun. It's called Fun. Well, I think it's time to get home to our baby, who we've never left for more than 5 minutes before.
I know, first time away for
Oh, first
an
little
hour.
babysitting. Deb, you're
First
so lucky
little-
you get the first babysit.
Yep, Deb got the first babysit. Mind you, it's like he is sleeping.
Yeah. All right, well, back to it.
Back to it.
It's essentially undiscovered country for both of us.
Home.
Beach day.
Beach day. We're on our way to Sauble Beach, the beach that lets you drive your vehicle right onto it, or at least used to. We're to find out it does now.
So,
It's a great drive down there. Beautiful sandy area. Lots of really nice cottages. We are hoping to enjoy some of that Lake Huron surf, which is spectacular.
it's sandbar, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
Sauble.
pretty much all sand.
Sauble Beach is all sandbar. Bikini paradise. Beach vibe. Beach vibe. Summer vibe. Love it. Can't wait to go to the beach.
They've been holding us in without a place to call home. And it's all burning down in the fire, taking us to the edge of hope. Carry me outside our daylight.
Sauble Beach.
Carry me outside.
This is my kind of beach. Ontario. Who would have thought? The only downside to this awesome beach, Sauble Beach, is that no dogs are allowed. So we were kind of bummed out because we've got moose. And so we had to find another beach.
You say that again. It is hard to find parking around here. Everywhere you look, it says don't park. We're gonna tow you. I'm like, well, I'd like to park, but I can't. I'm not allowed. No parking. No flags of parking.
Marlon, we're at the beach, buddy.
We're the beach.
We're at the beach.
No, very clean. Alright, well, we're gonna have to find a place to park the dogs down at the beach. Oh yeah. Oh.
So, that's epic. This place is epic. I'm so glad that I stopped here.
Ah, no regrets now. Well, that was a really good swim. I'm ready for lunch. I'm starving, actually. Moose has not been himself lately. He's been lethargic, quiet. I thought maybe he was just growing up, you know, he just turned 3. But he's got some symptoms, so I am driving 2 hours to the closest after-hours emergency vet. I think he's gonna be fine, but I am worried. Worried enough to drive 4 hours on a Sunday night to see if my little guy's okay. He's sleepy. He's in a little bit of pain. Poor guy. I'm worried. I'm worried about my dog. On the bright side, I hear where I'm driving to, Guelph, Ontario, has pretty much the best veterinary university clinic in the world, I've heard. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy that I'm taking him to a place where he's going to get good treatment no matter what's wrong. You know, if you're as big a fan of just driving around and looking at this beautiful country that we live in, you've got to come to Central Ontario. I mean, what an incredibly picturesque place. Everything I look at here should be like a Windows screensaver. It's unbelievable here. I love it. I'm looking forward to seeing the rest of Canada. I'm pleasantly surprised by this area here in Central Ontario and just how spectacular it's turned out to be. It's just breathtaking.
Know by phone when you need food or medication,
Curbside pickup.
and we'll alert you when it's ready and collect payment by phone. When you arrive at our office for pickup, call us and we'll let you know how you'll receive your order.
So it's 2 in the morning, and I've got Moose back. He had some kidney stones, and he's now going to be on a diet that is prescription. That's going to keep him from making those things that hurt him so badly. Moose. Moose. How are you doing, buddy? Good morning. Good morning. Are you feeling better?
He's a good boy.
Oh, you're a good boy. Are you doing better? good boy? Good morning. Well, Moose and I are making our way back home. About $700 lighter than we were yesterday morning. But Moose is okay. And that is what matters the most. All right, Mr. Moose. That's the hope.
Yeah! Phoenix! Yeah!
All right. Ready? Now we find out if I did everything right. Break off.
Okay, there you go. Bye, guys. Bye.
How's my rear end?
So far,
Good.
very good.
Well, we are now leaving Southampton. That was a very fun, nostalgic, and reminiscent visit with some good friends from back in the day. Some family friends, becoming our friends. We might be going to see them in Phoenix if we get down to the States this winter. We'll find out what happens with the COVID and whatnot. It has been very nice to be here.
I'm here, just in the back.
Oh, there you are. Hi. On the road again.
Carry me outside, I want daylight. Carry me